Do you freeze when someone asks you a question in English? Today we fix that. 6 questions. 3 minutes. Let's go. Hi everyone. I'm Anna. This is shadowing practice. I speak. You repeat out loud. Every single line. Don't just listen. Open your mouth and speak. Ready? Question word 1. What? We use what to ask about things. What is your name? What is your name? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Where? We use where to ask about places. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where is the nearest coffee shop? Where is the nearest coffee shop? Where do you want to meet? Where do you want to meet? When? We use when to ask about time. When does the meeting start? When does the meeting start? When are you free this week? When are you free this week? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? Who? We use who to ask about people. Who is your manager? Who is your manager? Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? Who told you about this? Who told you about this? Why? We use why to ask for a reason. Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? Why did you choose this job? Why did you choose this job? Why does this keep happening? Why does this keep happening? How? We use how to ask about the way something is done. How are you today? How are you today? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? Now rapid fire. No pausing. Just repeat. What is your name? Where are you from? When are you free? Who are you waiting for? Why are you learning English? How are you today? Well done. Say it again. Faster this time. What is your name? Where are you from? When are you free? Who are you waiting for? Why are you learning English? How are you today? That's 6 question words. What? Where? When? Who? Why? How? Come back tomorrow and do this again. 3 days in a row, these will feel completely natural. Subscribe for more practice every week. See you next time. Keep speaking.